Let's connect with MySQL. User password, which is Cloudera. We are connected with MySQL. Let's see what are the databases exist. 12 of them. We're gonna use retail DB under database. Use retail underscore DB. Database change. See what are the tables. There are 6 different tables: categories, customers, departments, order items, orders, and products. Let's retrieve some data from departments table. 2 columns: department ID, department name. Total 6 records: department ID 2, the value fitness, department ID 3, department name footwear, so on. Now we'll quit from MySQL. There is a sqoop command we can run to see the same databases names. We can retrieve the databases name from MySQL through sqoop command, which is sqoop list hyphen databases connect string is jdbc colon MySQL colon / quick start dot Cloudera, which is my machine name, username, root, password, Cloudera. This sqoop list databases command will run against the MySQL to retrieve all the databases, which is we have seen 12 databases, and print it on the screen. I'm going to pause. As you can see, the sqoop retrieve all the databases name from MySQL and print it on the screen. Now we have seen the departments table and department tables 6 rows, which resides in retail underscore DB database. Will import or transfer those data into the Hadoop file system through sqoop utility. Let's go sqoop import. Need to provide connect string jdbc MySQL colon / localhost colon 3306, which is my port number, retail underscore db, which is my database name. Need to provide username retail dba, password Cloudera. Now which table do you want to table data into Hadoop file system, which is table parameter, which is departments, and I need to provide target directory, which Hadoop file system directory where I want to import departments tables data. User Cloudera sqoop underscore import departments. This sqoop command will run against MySQL. The database retail underscore DB. From there, it will read the department's table data and import or transfer those data in department's directory. I'm going to pause the recording. As you can see, the output is sqoop version 1.4.6, Cloudera version 5.13, and says beginning code generation. Sqoop generated the code. It creates the jar file, and the location for jar file is this temp directory sqoop Cloudera. Again, here it says beginning import of departments, and as I said, sqoop by default it will assign 4 mappers. That's why you see here it says number of splits 4. I'm going to pause the recording again. As you can see, the sqoop command successfully completed and retrieved 6 records. Now let's check the Hadoop directory where files got created. sdfs tfs -ls user Cloudera sqoop import departments. In the Hadoop system, we are looking that directory, the department's data from our retail underscore DB is files are created or not. Now we can see there are 4 different files in that directory: part M0, part M2, part M3, part M23. So 4 different files. As I mentioned, sqoop by default assign 4 mappers, and each mapper creates 1 file. And let's go check one of the file. What are the data is there? sdfs tfs -cat. Let's see this one, the file. Can we read any data? It's running. Here you go. We can see the 4 department ID and the value is apparel in this file. So now we learned how to use the sqoop import command to import or transfer data from RDBMS to Hadoop file system. More is coming. Thank you very much for watching.